This is the W9 19D0 Little Meatball Smart Ring, and I do mean Little Meatball. They've even got their name inside of it. It's glorious, really exquisite design all the way around, and a little code on wearing it is you put that nice little sun symbol. Where did it go? There it is. You put that puppy straight up when you put it on. Before I do, I want to show you magnetic coupling in here, red and green diodes, maybe even infrared going on there as well. It monitors all kinds of things for you. In fact, you'll get step count, you'll get heart rate, you'll get blood pressure, you'll get blood oxygen, you'll get last night's sleep time, broken down, REM, light, deep, all kinds of things, daily archived on the app. Beautiful ring. You can size it to fit your particular finger of choice. It is the W9 Smart Ring. We'll just leave it at that. Little Meatball.